Hello, this is Ghostman90 here with my third tutorial. This is like one of the advanced tutorials right here. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do how to code a Sharingan fully and some special effects. So let's start off here. I'm going to start off with the Sharingan. I opened up my character already. So here are my sprites. I decided to use a different Rock Lee, so this is the first thing I'm going to do is how to do the Sharingan. So to do the Sharingan, I got this special code from one of my friends, Phoenix Dragoon. So yeah, thanks Phoenix, because I really need help with that code. So here's the code right here, as you can see. First of all, for the code, it's right here, the state -2. Yeah, I'll put this in the description box. So yeah, you take that code right there and you put it in the bottom of your CNS. So let me paste it on there. So yeah, it's there now. Next thing you do is this right here. You add this, the state 0 var set. So let me copy this, and you add this to your attack. So I'm just gonna make an attack. So I guess, what I do for if I want to make something into a Sharingan like that, I use I start off with a punch, like a normal punch. I don't do anything advanced or anything. I just start off with a normal punch. So let me do that. So let's see. Animation number, don't care. Damage, nah. Okay, so this is the first part right here. This is my punch of the Sharingan. So the first thing you have to do is copy that code down. Right there, the var set. So I copied it down. You don't have to worry about it. So it's already set already. It just slows it down for you, and that's it. So the next thing I would do now is make the background red, of course. So go into your little code box and get this bgpal.fx. I put it down already. Right here. This is the code. You have to delete the first part of it, so then it will go out. But you have to do all of it. That's what I did, and it works good. So okay, first thing now, the trigger 1 equals the animation. What animation do you want my Sharingan to go? And let's take a guess here. Oh, before that, let me change the time to 5. Okay. How about when his eyes are all fiery? So number 6. So you can do this with any frame, but you have to remember you have to put the anm. So anm equals 6. Time, how long you want that background to be on? How about 400 seconds or whatever, what they do in Mugen. Okay, now here's the weird part. This is the part where everybody gets confused. Don't go to add. It's in the mole where all these 256 are. So in the mole, it's like 256, 3, you see 2, 3, you see 3, 256. If you leave all this like that, it'll become white instead of red or whatever, right? If you leave it at 0, it becomes black. So yeah, this is for the effects too. And if you want the Sharingan color, which is of course red, right? It's this. I think it's this this last one right here. I'm taking a guess. So we have to change everything to 0 except for the last one. Let me see. I'm gonna just play around right now. So yeah. But the Sharingan is completely done. I just gotta put in the command for it. So let's put in the command first, I guess. Let's put down B. That's good enough. Sharingan. If you guys don't know how to add attacks, then just refer to my first tutorial or my second. So yeah. And the awesome thing, Master Lee, thank you, because you gave me the full edition of Snagit. Thank you, because my child just ran out barely when I was about to do this tutorial. So yeah. Okay, let's try it out. See, there you go, red, as you can see. So yeah, Now, here's another thing I'm gonna do. You wanna, if you want your, you don't want your Sharingan to add all dull, right? So I decided I'm gonna add the Sharingan sound of Sasuke to Rock Lee. Yes, this is stupid. I did this to my other Rock Lee, as you know, but if you don't know, then ask me and I'll give you my Rock Lee. So let me find it right here. So it's gonna play this sound as soon as it hits like that frame. Oh, not that one. Oops, sorry. Okay, so it's gonna play that right there. So what you do to play it, you have to press. Let me see, go middle, and you look in this code box for play sound, right here. Okay, and whatever, just leave it like that. I'm just gonna put it at the same frame, but no, I'm gonna put it at, how about number 1? That's good enough. And oh yeah, you have to remember one thing. You have to name the sound or else it'll mess everything up. So change it to 102, I guess. Okay. And the S right here, S0 is, as you can see, S0 whatever. That's the group number. Don't get fooled by anything else. The group number, not the sound number. So you have to put in 102 first. Cause I got tricked so many times like that. So I don't really care about the volume. So let's try it out. Oh, this is a hard command. See? So I basically did it. Sorry, it's not really good. But I hit him, he slowed down. You're wondering why he slowed down, right? No, I am not on speed. Just kidding. But yeah, he slowed down everything. Okay. The next thing I guess we should do is add like an explosion, cause you know, add any picture, any like picture you want, you add into that. That's an explosion basically. The first rule into making an explosion, this is the number 1 rule: do not add attack boxes. It will mess everything up, and I mean everything. So, yeah, let me do that. I just gotta find a good animation, I guess. So, how about adding this one right here? Simple, right? So, and then, to get this animation, to make it into explosion, you look at the group right here, 120. I'm gonna do that. So you simply go to here. You go into your little code box again and look for explode. Right here, explode. Where'd it go? Oh jeez. No. Oh, okay, here it is. No. Okay, here it is. I keep losing things right now. So explode. It's easy. Trigger, how about nm equals 1, animation 120, ID I think it's just same thing, 120, and the position, whatever, I'm gonna put the position at player 1, but you can move it around to like player 2. This is like good for like banners and whatnot, explosions, yeah. So let's try it now. See? You saw that little animation there. Right there. See? Nice, isn't it? So, that's about it for that part. Now let's add like other stuff. This is like a special effect tutorial, right? So let's add like when I do the Sharingan, all of a sudden it shakes. So I'm gonna do that. So you look in your box and look for N shake. ENV shake. So first thing you do, NM equals whatever, same thing. I do NM, but if you guys use time or whatever, you can do that. I think it'll work too. I'm sorry about the mishap, but anyways, trigger 1 equals NM equals 1, right? Time for how about 100? Frequency, whatever, okay? Because I gotta run short on time. So, yeah. See, it shakes just a little bit. So, yeah. I think I have to conclude it for now. I am Ghostman90. See ya.